Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. So I was in the middle of a work and I thought I should film these little parts that I've not already fixed my pearls to show you guys how to set your pearls on your tool net to kind of serve as a design to a beautiful beadwork 3 as a cover up for your tool. Okay, so in here I have my um pearl setter. I also have my pearls here in my cup, and I need my pearl pins as well. So the pearl comes in different sizes. Okay, we have this pearl, you know, these are the panels, the pieces, the tools that hold the size of the pearl you want to fix in place. Okay, we have this, and then we have the smallest pearl. This is at about the second smaller size that I am using here. So you just screw it open like this. Okay, and then this is it. Okay, so we have 4 in the box. So currently I'm using this because this fits to this pearl that I'm using size. Okay, this fits to that. Right, so it's not coming off. I'm just going to go ahead and screw this back inside. So you just have to screw it back just like that. Okay, yes, and then we have this side that holds the pin in place. So you put the pin here and then you put the pearl here. So I already have a pearl in there. We have the smoother side, it's supposed to go down. Okay, the smoother sides and the place that is going to be attached to the pearls. Okay, and we have the smoother side. So the smoother side, this is the smoother side, this is going to go inside the pearl like that. Okay, and then the pearl also is going to be inserted here. So once that is done, you just go ahead, position it at wherever you want to set your pearls. Make sure you position it right, and then just go ahead, okay, and then press this out. Okay, so press it really firmly, press it very hard, okay, so that it sticks to that part. You see, we have our pearls set on our tool. Let me flip it to the back so you see how the back is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process. Let me quickly set this aside because we're not going to use this for today. So quickly set this aside, and then you grab your pearls, okay, and then you fix it here like that, just like that, and then you grab your pins as well, and then to the smoother side is going inside like that. Okay, so that the pin where the pins are will come up so that it can hold your pearls firmly. Okay, so I'm just going to I have a little problem with my pearl setter. Okay, that's why I'm pressing this side before. So just go ahead and press it with all your strength that you have left, and this is it. Your pearls are set. So go ahead and repeat the same process for each and every part of the pearls. If you want to do light pearling, if you want to do thick pearling, just go ahead and do that. Okay, so you see I'm just arranging this as I prefer. Okay, so just go ahead and keep doing this until you are through or you are satisfied with the kind of design you have. So I'm just going ahead to do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill all these places. Okay, so if there is any question, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. If you want to know more about this tool, please kindly send me a message. I have some available, Yes, I sell this, so contact me if you need any of the tool. Also, my eyelet tool is also, yeah, it's also available. It's still available. It's so much in stock. Okay, so make sure you grab one, because these days the rate at which things are getting increased, it's crazy. Okay, so make sure you grab one for yourself, and then yeah, just grab one for yourself and make your life easy. Okay, make your sewing beautiful and easy as well. So wherever you feel that you need to position the pearl is where you need to put it. Okay, so at this point I still feel like this is not arranging the way I want it. So okay, yes, because I wanted super filled. Okay, I don't want my dress to my chest showing. I want it really covered, so that is why I'm going in more and full back, and then back this. Okay, so like I said, I have this machine available. If you want some, contact me and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this tutorial.